Welcome, friends. This is Rod Puppet, and we're here to discuss a new anime I've started watching called Chainsaw Man. We will be discussing episode 1. I appreciate you joining us here today. Let's get into it. Basically, Chainsaw Man is the story of a man and his dog joining together to defeat the devils everywhere. 16-year-old Denji was burdened with a debt left behind by his father, and he had to agree to work with the mafia to defeat devils. He had a special friend, a chainsaw dog that resembled the chainsaw devil. Well, the mafia sent him to fight the zombie devil. Well, they were waiting for him, and they sent so many zombies to catch him and to dismember him. Once they threw him and his chainsaw dog into the dumpster, a little bit of the blood from Denji went into his dog's mouth, who traded himself to be the heart of Denji the Chainsaw Man. Upon completion of the mission, he was recruited to be a devil slayer, a one who is ready to do what it takes to protect society from devils by using his devil abilities. We'll be keeping you updated on what happens in the next episode.